Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce complicated investments with Schwab step by step clearly. To reduce complicated investments with Schwab, start by creating a Schwab account. Visit the Charles Schwab website and click on the Open an Account option. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Choose the type of account that suits your investment needs, such as an individual or joint account. Once your account is set up, log into the Schwab dashboard. Navigate to the Research and Markets section to gather insights on investment options. Explore the investment products area to find information on stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Consider using Schwab's guided investing tools for personalized advice based on your goals. To simplify your investment portfolio, look for low-cost index funds or ETFs that align with your strategy. Next, utilize the Portfolio Analysis tool to assess your current investments. Identify any areas of overlap or outdated investments in your portfolio. Based on your analysis, decide which investments to hold, sell, or adjust. If needed, use the trading feature to execute buy or sell orders directly from your dashboard. Monitor your investment performance regularly using Schwab's tracking tools. Consider setting up automatic rebalancing to maintain your desired asset allocation. Finally, take advantage of Schwab's educational resources to continue learning about investing. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce complicated investments and build a more straightforward portfolio with Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.